You probably woke up to fewer views on your YouTube channel and you are thinking that your views has dropped. But don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually happens, how your views reduce from the former number of views to a fewer ones. Stick to the end of this video. Alright, so this is what actually happens. Your views are not dropping. If you check here and in your dashboard, you always see last 28 days. What YouTube is showing you is the views that was accumulated within the last 28 days. Okay, let's take it for an instance now. You got 2.9k, 11.8k views within 28 days, as you can see here. What will show here is that 11.8k. Let's assume you move over to the next like to 29th day. That's another cycle again. What YouTube will do is that it will update, leaving behind and updating. Let's assume you got 11.8k view on the 28th day. Then on the first day of that 28 days, you got 1,000 views. What YouTube will do is when you move out to the 29th day, YouTube will update it, showing only 10.8k views. Then what now happens to the 1k views that is not there? Stick to this video, I'm going to show you. So what you do is just click on this view here. When you click on this view, take you to this page here, this overview. This is your analytics. So here in your analytics, you still see this 11.8k views, and it shows here in the last 28 days videos on your official artist channel got 12k. That's an apologize that approximated it. So if you want to see the total number of views that you have gotten in the last 28 days, to see if your views are actually dropping, you get to click here. When you click here, as you can see, this one now is only 28 days. Let's check 29th days, like 90 days. Let's check 90 days. Check here. As you can see, the views are increasing. This was not what we have in the last 28 days. Let me take it back to 28 days so I can see it. 11,854 views. All right. Then when you check 7 days, it's showing 11,808 views. These are the views that was accumulated within this period. Then if you check last 365 days, you see the number of views. Have you seen it? 15,186 views, which shows that these are the number of views that was gotten within this period of time. You get. Then let's check lifetime views. You see the total number of views in your channel. All right, you will see the total number of views in your channel. Let it open. This is what we have here is 28,833 views, which means that they are updating according to the number of cycle. You get. They work by, like, basically what YouTube does is to update. That's just how YouTube is structured, and your views are not dropping.